you're not enjoying the food you eat, the drinks you drink, and even the supplements you take. What the hell's the point? You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Stay tuned to learn more about how you can enjoy your food and get results. People ask me all the time how I stay so disciplined. Truth is, I don't. I enjoy the foods I eat. You should too. If you don't like something, don't eat it. I will suffer through protein shakes, sure, but mainly that's to save money for foods I enjoy. And when I do splurge, though, I do it strategically. I have linked an article down below. Check it out. And if you're ready to start your fitness journey, I can help. Just visit themightymiracleman.com and click message us to get started.